In this video, I will cover using the layer list and adding data to the map. The layer list is located on a tab in the side panel. Most layers are nested in groups of similar data. To expand the group, click the arrow next to the group name. The upper level or parent group must be turned on for its sublayers to be visible. Click in the checkbox next to a group layer or sublayer to turn it on and off. Some layers are only visible when you're zoomed to a certain scale. The text zoom in to view will appear in this case. Next to each group layer name and sublayer name, there are 3 dots. This is the Actions menu. In the Actions menu for group layers, you can set the overall layer transparency and zoom to certain levels. In the Actions menu for individual layers, you can set layer transparency, zoom to the full extent, zoom to where the layer becomes visible, and edit the appearance or style of the features, toggle labels, open the filter tool, and configure advanced settings. To edit the appearance of the features, for example the partials layer, click the Actions menu and choose Layer Style. This will open a window where you can pick from preset styles or create your own style. I'll choose a preset style of cyan outline and click OK. The parcels change color and line thickness. To reset the symbol to the default, choose Reset Symbol from the Actions menu. To reset all symbols, click the button at the top of the layer list. The other button at the top, Turn on Property Layers Only, will turn off all layers except for the parcels and roads. Base maps are a special kind of layer that draw under all the other layers. Base maps can be selected from a pop-out menu accessed from a button on the toolbar or in the lower right corner. There are several years of aerial photos, as well as topographic, terrain, an enhanced contrast base map, and others. To dismiss the base map pop-out, click on the Base Maps button again. You aren't limited to the layers in the layer list. There are 3 buttons at the bottom of the layer list which allow you to add additional data. Add pre-configured layers will bring up a window showing layers that have been configured with symbols and are ready to be added. Some pre-configured layers, such as wildlife layers, have sublayers that can be added one at a time or all at once. I will use the filter at the top to search for elk. Here I can add all the elk layers, or an individual or multiple. Add KML lets you add an Google Earth KML file. Add GIS data from file lets you upload your own data, such as a GIS shapefile or a CSV or Excel file that has geometry. Shapefile components must be zipped. Once a layer is added, it has an Actions menu like the other layers. And you can change the symbol and other settings. To restyle KML data, you must drill down using the arrows to the base layer and then use its action menu. Here I'm going to restyle the KML to be more visible. You can also remove a layer using the Actions menu. Added layers only persist for your current map session. If you want to save your settings, go to the Save Load Projects tab on the toolbar and Save Project. This downloads a file that you can upload later to continue your work. This file will also save any other layer settings you have changed, the visibility of layers, and your zoom extent.